Hi guys. Well, yesterday you guys reviewed what prefixes are. Today you're going to review what suffixes are. What are suffixes? Suffixes are affixes or words that are added at the end of a base word. So if you remember yesterday, prefixes are added at the beginning of a base word. Suffixes also change how the base word is used and the meaning of the base word. Here are some examples of suffixes. The first one, ER. Second one, OR. Third one, ESS. Last one, IST. Let's take a look at our first example sentence. The seller sold carrots, cucumbers, and celery at the market. Let's look at the word seller. If you notice, it is in two different colors. Sell is in black because it's the base word. Is in red because it's the suffix. So let's break down the word seller. Let's look at the base word sell. Well, what does sell mean? Sell means to give or hand over something in exchange for money. Now, let's look at the suffix er. If you add it to sell, it changes the whole meaning of the word. So what does seller mean? Seller is a person who sells something. Here's our next sentence. Many thought her coach was the greatest swimming instructor in the world. Now let's look at the word instructor. Notice again, it is in two different colors. Instruct is in black because it's the base word, or is in red because it's the suffix. So let's break down the word. Well, what does instruct mean? Instruct means to direct or command someone to do something. But now if we add the suffix to the end of the base word, it changes the meaning of the word instruct. So instructor means a person who teaches something, and it can be anything. Let's look at this sentence now. When we went to go eat at California Pizza Kitchen, the hostess walked us to our table. Let's look at the word hostess. Notice again, it's in two different colors. Host is in black because it's the base word. ESS is in red because it's the suffix. Now let's break down the word. Let's look at the base word host. Well, what does host mean? Host is a person who receives or entertains other people as guests. But now if we add the suffix, it completely changes the meaning of host. Hostess is a woman who greets restaurant guests. And now for our final sentence. The artist painted a beautiful mural. Again, the word artist is in two colors. Art is in black because it's the base word. IST is in red because it's a suffix. Now let's break down the word artist. Let's start with the base word art. Well, what does art mean? Art is expression or application of human creative skill and imagination. But now if we add ist or IST to art, it changes the meaning of the word. Artist is a person who produces art as a profession or as a hobby. All right, guys, that concludes the lesson. Well done.